Very quick video. If your rear windscreen washer does not work in your Skoda Fabia Mark 1, it's not going to focus. Where my finger is there, that's the pipe that goes to the rear wash, and it splits there. So if there's sort of pressure problem, it will split there rather than leak water in your car. So chances are it's that's come apart, and you need to push it back together. It's just the push fit. So sort of behind where the brake lines go into the ABS unit, you can see the blue bit there. And there's also the same here by the front wheel. Behind here there's another one, so if it hasn't gone up there, it's gone there. Little update, this is the new car. More problems, great.